Alright. Looks like the bunny left a few presents in the yard. Shelby's getting a head start. Alright. On your marks. Set. Go! Hey, someone dropped one already.
What?
It fell out of the basket. Because it cracked open and the yolk came out. Whoop. The dogs are barking at you. She's protecting you. That's because Shelby is protecting you. Shelby's doing her. I was going to look the other way, pretend I don't see a thing. Shelby, come on. Come on. Come on. I still see an egg. Ah, boo! Hey, Jocelyn, you can be like that little boy when you dropped your candy in Halloween and go steal all his.
That's like, man. I gotta be like that little boy.
Look around. You might find more.
See another one. Ah!
I see one.
Keep you back. You need a stick to keep you back.
What about the one that fell out of someone's basket? You going to reclaim it? Whoever dropped it?
No.
What about
Oh!
that one? Oh,
Right.
and Brandon, you just dropped like 3 more again.
Good basket.
I see some more. Come on, Brandon. Why don't you put the stick down? Wouldn't it be easier to grab an egg with nothing in your hand?
I don't want the candy that fell out anymore.
Besides the ones that already fell out of his basket. I can see it from here. It's so close, it would bite you. How to get in that windowsill? Must have been a tall rabbit. Let's see, I don't know. Any more? I found another one. There's another one. Ooh, I don't think there's anything in the bushes.
They're rhubarb.
I mean, they are bright colored, so you should be able to see them. I found two more. Oh, that's just Brandon who dropped. Anything in there? No, nothing. Oh. I see a rabbit that climbs. I found another one. Why are you yelling like a bunch of hyenas? No, sometimes they're just laying in the grass. Goblin found it.
Why does Jonathan fighting one of me? Because I'm just that cool. And I just fell.
Let's go for a hunt here.
I
see another one. I see another one. No, she found it, John, Brandon. There's two of them over there. She found them both. Hey, I found something that fell out of one. A malt boiler or a bronze egg, whatever it is. Alright. We can count them and see how many we got.
Colin probably has more.
I guess you can look at the spoils first.
3, 4, 5,
1,
6,
2,
7, 8, 9,
Why is it real so bumpy?
11,
It keeps rolling.
12, 13, 14,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
17, 18,
8, 9,
19,